Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here. I'm finally here, I have to say, to make the video for my 5K giveaway. Yay! I'm almost reaching 6. I'm a little bit late, I know. I didn't forget about it, but I don't know. There was a lot going on, and every time I wanted to do it, something else happened. But yeah, we have everything smoothed out now, so I could do the video today. But before I start telling you about how to enter the prizes and everything, I want to take a moment to say thank you from the bottom of my heart to all of you who are loyal to me, who subscribed 4 years ago. Some of you already are with me for 4 years. And leave likes, leave comments, and be so involved. And also in the Facebook group together with the channel, because there is a connection between those two because of the challenges. But yeah, it's been an amazing journey, and I hope this journey will continue, and I will, well, maybe grow my channel a little bit more. But I am so happy where I am at the moment. And it is all because of you, because without any viewer or comment or any interaction from any subscriber, this wouldn't be possible for me. I would just make videos and no one would watch. So yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate all of you. So the prizes. I have received donations. Donations from digitals, from designers, and I think you know them, but in case you don't, a good way to get to know them. I will link everything also down below, and I will also add a image in here with all the names and the prizes. But I'm going through the list, and then I'm going to show you what's on my desk, because there is a lot. It's actually a huge giveaway. I've never done this before. This is the first time for me, and yeah, I'm very excited about it, but I'm also very scared that I make mistakes. So I'm going to try my best to do it right. I received a digital donation from Cara Brennan from Cara Brennan Creations. There is a $30 shop code for Two Sister Jam Etsy store. There is a $25 shop code for Haystack Crafty Corner Etsy store. Rachel Walters from Rich and Bella Crafts, she donated 5 digital kits from her Etsy. Then we have Suzanne. We all know Suzanne, of course. We do collaborations together. She's from Non-Stop Papercrafts, and she donated 3 digitals from her Etsy store. Then we have Mandy Reed from Sunflowers and Doors, sorry. She donated 5 digitals from her Etsy. And we have Tracy Fox from Fox Creative donating 5 digitals from her Etsy store. So that's a lot of prizes, because that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 drawings already. And then I will donate 2 sets of 3 digitals as prizes too. So there is 9 drawings already. Then I'm going to put this aside. I have this package, and I'm going to show you. This is a wheel tap punch. It is, well, I think it's in the top 10 list of most desired craft supplies every crafter wants to have. I have it for you in a price. Then I also have a lot of pages, Dutch pages mostly, also a little bit French, I think. Yeah, I also have French papers, but I try to use as many French and Dutch, but a lot of it is in Dutch, and it's so many different pages. Children books, oh, it's upside down, history books, school books, nature books, pages about the Netherlands with all old drawings, This is also a Netherlands, a Dutch music piece. So there is a lot. Look, extremely Dutch. Look, and the wooden shoes. So these are great if you coffee dye these. They are great in journals. I added the canvas paper. I made my summer bloom journal with those. And if you're interested, there is a video about this. Fairy tale pages, I think you call that. We call that sprookjesboeken. Like I said, nature pages. And I also have, I don't know how to call these, but these have these pretty, look, you can cut these out. Although you have to pick, well, I would pick this side. But you can use them to, this is Dutch currency. But you can use them in your projects. And I have some ledgers. And this is also in Dutch. And yeah. So this together with, I made a few boho beads. Also a video on that. And these keys. Just for fun. From the Grunge Your Art challenges. And then I also have a Buy Me a Coffee journal. It's a kit that I had on my coffee page. It's still my coffee page, or it's only on my Etsy now. And I created it from a paper bag. There's a pocket here and a pocket thingy in here. And then we have all the little things, flips, flops over here. It's a little folio basically. And I thought, well, it's also nice to add this to the little project package. Sorry, it's not a project. I'm so used to talking in projects, but this is a giveaway package. So this is going to be in one package. So this is going to be a prize. I'm not having like a first prize, although the journal is, yeah, the first prize, and the other things are just prizes. I have to get this out of the way, otherwise it's interfering. This is the handmade journal from the Shabby Your Art. I did have a flip through on my channel already, but I'm just going to show you real quick. I made a dangle over here. Well, it's a tassel. And I have all the elements from the challenges on it. I'm just going to take you up a little. Yeah. So this is from a challenge. This is made from the freebies. This is a challenge that I did for Tag Your It, but I used the Shabby kit and the Shabby papers. The heart is also from one of the challenges. Well, actually all the challenges were hearts. Then it flips open like this. And this opens. I have nothing in here, but you can add stuff in here. There is a long old, how do you call these? Invoice. And I made this journal also on camera, and it's made from chew envelopes. This is also something I did on camera. The little Valentine booklet, but it's not Valentine themed, but I had a Valentine freebie, and I created this little booklet with vintage ledgers and some old pages in it. And that tucks into, oh, it's not nice. You have to do it nice. Yeah, this is pretty. In here, this is a paper clip. On here, and I have 3 signatures in here, but they are all made with the elastic. I have Shabby papers in here from all the kids, book pages, yeah, French, Dutch, grit, music paper, school book, also in Dutch. This is the middle part. There's a lot in here. Handmade, sort of handmade paper it is. I'm not really sure, but it has a cotton feel texture. Again, book pages, ledger, floral pages. Yeah, a lot of things. I'm just going to flip through real quick. If you want to see much better, there is a normal flip through. And like I said, this is with an elastic binding, so you can take out the papers, put them in another spot, switch out papers between the 3 signatures. You can take it out and edge with laces. You can still sew, you can back these. Yeah, you can make it your own. I'm almost at the end. I really like this paper too. It's so much fun. And this is one of my favorite pages. But oh, it's an endless signature. Because this is the middle part. Oh, we're finally at the end. So it's basically a naked journal. They call it a naked journal because I didn't embellish the journal pages. Then there's this heart. I created this also for a challenge. And you can leave it, but you can also take it out and hang it somewhere as a decorative piece. Then I made this because the challenge was this, but I created a whole bag. It is lined with paper, but it has fabrics all over and some stamping. I created this also on camera, so if you want to know how, there are videos. Maybe I will link those videos too. I'm not sure because there's a lot to link. Another pocket in here. Backside, this is a pocket too, but I have nothing in. But this is a pocket too. And yeah, I added a lot of the laces I received from Two Sister Jam, and I put as much as I could in here. This is from them, and the closure piece is also from them. But yeah, you can win this journal. If you like the prizes, you can enter for this giveaway. Okay, how can you enter? Well, that is actually quite simple. First of all, you need to be a subscriber to my channel. I would also appreciate it if you become a member of my Facebook group and leave a like on this video, and also tell me in a few words, maybe a few lines, why you are watching my channel, what it is that you like about my channel. And you have to use the hashtag LDA5K giveaway. It has to be in your comment because I'm going to filter on that hashtag for the winner's drawing. If you don't put in the hashtag, I will not be able to take you with me. I will not be able to put your name in the winner's drawing because it doesn't pop up. So the hashtag is very crucial. You can answer starting today, and you have, let me check because I'm really lost on dates at the moment. You have until the end of this month, so until Sunday the 31 of March. I'm not sure I'm saying it right, but 31 of March, the end of this month, until 12 p.m. Well, actually 11:59 p.m. But until the end of Sunday, your Sunday, doesn't matter where you are. If you are in another country, we have 7 hours between us. So obviously your Sunday is going to last 7 hours longer than mine. But that doesn't matter. You have until the 31 to enter. After that, it is closed. I will check the names on my 1st of April. And anything after that will not be in the giveaway. So you have a whole week to respond to this video. Leave a like, subscribe, tell me why you watch this channel, what you like about this channel, using the hashtag LDA5K giveaway. I will link everything down below. I will also put the hashtag in this video so you can see and you can write it down. And like I said, there are going to be several winners drawings, because it's not only this and this, so 2 prizes, because we have Cara Brendan's prize, 2 Sister Gem, Haystack Crafty Corners, Rachel from Rachel and Bella Crafts, Non-Stop Papercrafts, Mandy Reed, Tracy Fox, and also 2 sets of digitals from LDA. So that's already 9 drawings. 10, 11. We have 11 winner drawings. Yay! I'm so excited about this. So yeah, this is it for the giveaway video. You have a whole week to respond. So please do. And I hope to see you all back in the, well, maybe in the next video. That would be nice, but for sure in the giveaway video. Like always, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, stay creative. I hope to see you the next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.